Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Vietnamese grilled lemon chicken. Really easy to do and incredibly tasty. Great for any barbecue that you're going to be having. Right, let's get on with it. We're going to make a marinade. Here I've got a small brown onion, and I'm just going to grate that up on my box grater just like this. Yes, it's going to make you cry and all the rest of it, but this will give us a really nice fine onion type paste for our little marinade. So here I've got the equivalent of 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to use a garlic paste and around about 1 teaspoon's worth of chili paste. Alright, we can use a sambal oelek if you want. I'm going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth of caster sugar. That is going in, and I'm also going to add in a tablespoon's worth of peanut oil. You can use veggie oil if you want. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 2 teaspoons of a good quality soy sauce, and around about half a teaspoon's worth of freshly ground black pepper. That goes in, and the last thing I want is some lemon. I'm going to use anywhere between 1.5 to 3 tablespoons. You can add as much or little as you'd like, but a minimum of 1.5 tablespoons worth of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Alright, give all that a quick bit of a stir, and don't worry if the seeds get in there. It's all going to come off. Now here I've got some chicken thighs, and I'm simply just going to cut these up into nice little strips. You can cut them into little cubes if you want and put them on a skewer a little bit later. I'm just going to cut them into strips and put them on the grill just as they are. They're absolutely perfect for the way I'm going to present this dish. So put all that into your marinade, leave that refrigerated for 1 to 2 hours, and give it a stir every now and then, and our chicken is going to be marinated absolutely beautifully. And always use chicken thigh, don't use the chicken breast. The chicken breast will dry out, the thigh will stay juicier, and thighs are tastier. So give them a stir from time to time, just like I'm doing right there. And in the meantime, I've already started getting my grill happening. If you're using coals, it does take a little bit of extra time to do, and if you're using a gas barbecue, it doesn't take that long. I'm going to make up a little bit of a sauce here. Around about 2 tablespoons worth of sesame seeds, about 2 tablespoons worth of soy. That goes in just into a little ramekin like that. I'm going to add in just a dash of sesame oil, probably about half a teaspoon, and around about a tablespoon's worth of rice wine vinegar, and about 2 tablespoons worth of mirin. That can go in, and I want a little bit more sweetness. You can add a bit of honey. I'm just going to use about a tablespoon's worth of agave syrup. Really simple. What we have to do now, give that a stir, and because we're not using honey, all of those little liquids, they're going to mix together very easily. Right, so we just stir that, pop that aside, and that is ready to go. Now, clean and grease down or oil down your grill. I'm just using a bit of paper towel with a bit of oil on there on the end of tongs. It's alright, that paper can go in, that can burn off at the same time. What I have to do now is get my chicken and start layering it up in a couple of batches. The amount of chicken I had there, which was getting close to 1 kilo, I'm going to do this in 2 different batches. I just lay your chicken down on top of those coals or onto your gas barbecue. You could even do it under the salamander if you want, but you will make a mess of your oven if you do that. So just put those down, make sure we've got a bit of space in between, make sure they're laying nice and flat. And I'm going to cook these off for around about 4 minutes per side. Because we've cut this chicken up nice and small like this, they will cook very quickly. But always good to make sure you check. You'll see the meat will go opaque halfway through, and then once it has done that, you can give it a flip, and you know it's cooked all the way through. And look at those beautiful little grill marks we're getting on there. Now I'm using a mixture of heat beads and red gum charcoal, and that just gives an amazing flavour. So just keep giving these a flip from time to time and make sure they're cooked all the way through. Alright, now in the meantime, Mrs. KP is getting the rest of our meal ready to go. I'm going to close that lid down just to keep a bit of extra heat in. And this little grill I made myself some time ago. No professional weather here. It's an old gas bottle and the little stainless steel racks that I have for another barbecue. But it just shows you, even if you don't have an expensive barbecue, you can make it out of almost anything. Look at the beautiful colour on that. Now we're just getting ready to serve up. Just get rid of all the rest of that chicken on there. And if you haven't had grilled chicken before over hot coals, and especially using some Asian spices, you don't know what you're missing. It is fantastic. Here I've got some brown rice that Mrs. KP has got together for me. Just going to put that down on a plate, and I'm going to serve this up as a little platter. I'm going to serve some little plates up, and people can just pick and choose what they want. They can take a bit of rice, they can take a bit of chicken, put that on their little plate and just serve it all up. Just really nice and easy. And the last thing we need to do, we're going to add up a little bit of a garnish, and it's also going to be an extra little flavour hit. Add some wedges of fresh lime, just like I'm doing right there, and you squeeze that lime over the top of this chicken, and the flavour just explodes in your mouth. A little bit of the sauce, just drizzle that straight over the top. Really simple, and we've ended up with this amazing Vietnamese style grilled lemon chicken. How easy was that? Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is simple, it is easy. Right. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment, I love reading and I love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a really nice, quick, easy Asian style dish like this, bit of street food, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after I eat my Vietnamese grilled lemon chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.